Kedam tang phai kuni ni phai ko clear ni Dipo police station angkang DTO adung street light anujok ke krep ahut inod artak ke dotang arleng ke sarapan ke baba jok apran kedam nang aputhak KSA Dipo district committee atum ningkang samse kachepaklang labang so honi ke dolong kok ke lahai ke lang chari nang jia saikam atum ke lang ke pang krelapen contractor Chiranviv Agarwal Rat Pang Rialong aja kong ke do tuma phan lang plodasai keklem ke oya pot pusi KSA atum jongpon la siki sung ke pho hematum aphan ke ra pivek nang chi pusi KSA Dipo district committee atum phaikuni ni phaing kwara trogani ASDCSI hemalong pherang kyamai kangnie hut hangpon ahoklo nitumapo arta do olo seta alangli pension kachodeng bom abangphu alang lipena joksi nitum akorte akibisia bangki ahem kachila nalong akirap longpon bomlo nitumapo sar ulo sita non akijum naita ningkan pho ningkan kepke do alang sita alangli lapuson ahoni ke phopen apran kidam nang kokki nitumta ningduk piklo
to the bereaved family must be amicably compensated. The KSA observed that such incidents involving the solar light post will continue to happen. The public is taken for granted by the department concerned and contractor Sri Chiranviv Agarwal executing pathetic works at their will, having no respect for the public or the government. Corruption has marred Karbi Anglong at the cost of human lives. From roads to bridges to medical sector to education, grabbing poor people's land by government officials, etc., corruption has rooted this land towards days of uncertainty. However, the people in power expect the public to remain a silent spectator. Any voice against the injustice means putting oneself at the danger of being falsely implicated and lands in jail. Such is the situation in Karbi Anglong. However, the KSA shall not remain a silent spectator. Crime is a crime, and we the KSA stand against the injustice to the society.
Nitumapoke sar ulo sita lasodung head school tamedo jongsi nepoalar kumatni au somaratum jongsi lapuson ahoni pholok polote kopilo ke man popusi honi ke phopen apran ke dam nangjui Konpai Pator asupotum pherangkia mai along ningjepon
that on 24th of November 2023 late Mr. Konpai Pator, an octogenarian man of 85 years old, was accidentally or unfortunately or tragically caused death due to the poor installations of solar light posts near our DTO office in Difu, Karbi Anglong. This is a very unfortunate incident, and we the Karbi Student Associations, we express our condolences to the families and also to the bereaved families. So in regard to that, we the Karbi Student Associations would like to place some demand on behalf of the family as well as on behalf of the general public of Karbi Anglong. Well, the current incumbent government of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as well as the government of Assam as well as the government of India are initiating different and brought multiple developmental projects here in Karbi Anglong to bring all around social and economical development here in Karbi Anglong. So installation of solar power street light was also one of the developmental project initiated by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and its department. However, due to uses of substandard quality of materials by the contractor as well as the concerned department personnel have caused a huge concern for the general public.
News report long sodaring ti Karbing long live.